Hello, social media friends. I'm Viridiana Marquez with DRB Media Communications Digital News, and Danny Barrera has the story.
Midland Memorial Hospital, Midland Health, and the Midland Unified Command began its COVID-19 vaccine rollout on Friday, January 22nd at the Horseshoe Event Center. 240 people have signed up, got the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine Friday afternoon. The goal is about 1,000 persons to be vaccinated beginning this week.
This is a big effort. I mean, we're talking about running 1,000 people through here, having them all pre-register if possible, but registering some on site. Getting a vaccine in every arm, monitoring them for any reactions, all that every day, 1,000 people every day for the foreseeable future. That's not really what we normally do. We're not accustomed to doing that sort of thing. So the team from the hospital and the county and the city and a wide variety of others, our friends at Team Rubicon, have all come together and designed this process in the best way we can think of, but we're prepared that we might have to adjust on the fly. There might be things that we didn't think of that we need to adjust to as the week goes on.
The side effects are of a big concern. Most people feel that the vaccine from Pfizer and Moderna were released too soon. Medical personnel encourage those persons to get the first and second dose of the vaccine.
If you consider the minor side effects that are possible with this vaccine versus actually having COVID-19 and ending up in the hospital or on a ventilator and potentially death, this is mild. It cannot cause COVID-19. It's not made from killed virus. It's an mRNA vaccine where it causes your body to react and create its own antibodies. So eventually, after you get 2 vaccines and within 2 weeks, you should have some antibodies to the COVID vaccine virus.
The City of Midland, along with Midland County and other agencies of the Midland Unified Command, held meetings to draft a blueprint for the distribution of the COVID-19 vaccine. The City of Midland is grateful to the public at large and the Midland Foundations for monetary contributions to help with vaccinations of Midlanders.
One important group that we don't want to forget is the foundations. It is amazing how Midlanders step up whenever there's a challenge in front of us like we have now to give. And the funding sources from all over the community have come in, and our health department, Dr. Craig at the health department, our fire department are all here to help, and we're one big team.
You know, you're going to have 75 to 100 people in here for the next, 4, 6, 8 weeks working solid every day. So anybody want to buy 100 box lunches and bring up here, I know they would appreciate it. And I mean that sincerely. You got oil companies, I'm getting asked, what can we do, what can we donate? And that's one thing that's a big concern, is getting all these folks fed while they continue to help us as a community by giving us vaccinations.
Team Rubicon, a volunteer disaster response group known across the U.S. by the team's gray shirts, are currently in Midland to assist Midland Memorial Hospital and Midland Health as support during the administering of the COVID-19 vaccines.
Currently there's 2 of us. But we anticipate having numbers in the range of 15 to 30 for the next couple of weeks, and then we'll see where it goes from there. All of our volunteers, most of our volunteers also work, and so oftentimes they're taking off time from their work and using vacation days to come out and help communities such as this.
For DRB Media Communications Digital News, Danny Barrera.
Thank you for following us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and DRB Media Communications Digital News.tv. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, DRB Media Communications Digital News. Hit the subscribe button and a bell for notifications. For DRB Media Communications Digital News, Viridiana Marquez.